In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate captions with AI in Canva step by step so you can quickly add clean, professional subtitles to your videos without manually typing everything out. This is a huge time saver if you create social media clips, tutorials, reels, or any kind of video content where captions help improve watch time and accessibility. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Canva and open the video design you want to work on. You can start with an existing project or create a new video if you haven't already. Once your design is open, look at the left side panel and click on Apps. This is where Canva keeps a lot of its built-in tools and features, including the Captions tool we need for this tutorial. In the Apps search bar, type Captions. When the results appear, click Captions by Canva. This is the official Canva Captions feature, and it uses AI to automatically detect speech in your video and turn it into readable subtitles. After you open it, Canva will usually give you a few styling options. Take a moment to choose the caption style that fits your video best. For example, you might want something bold for short-form content or something cleaner and simpler for tutorials and business videos. Once you've chosen a style, click Generate Captions. Canva may ask you to select the language of the audio. Make sure you choose the correct language so the AI can detect the speech accurately. Then click Generate to begin. At this point, Canva will process your video and create the captions automatically. Depending on the length of your video, this may take a few moments, so just wait while the AI does the work for you. After the captions are generated, review them carefully. Even though Canva does a great job, it's always smart to check for any small errors, missed words, or punctuation issues. If you see anything that needs fixing, click into the text and edit it manually. This gives you full control over the final result and helps make your captions look polished and professional. Next, you can customize the appearance of your captions. Use the top bar to adjust the font, size, and style so the text matches your brand or the overall look of your video. You can make the captions larger for mobile viewers, change the font to something more modern, or update the styling so it stands out better against your background footage. This step is important because good captions should not only be accurate, but also easy to read. If you want to make your video even more polished, you can also check the spacing and timing of the captions as they appear across the timeline. This helps make sure the subtitles feel natural and match your video flow. Small adjustments here can make a big difference in how professional your final export looks. When everything looks good, you have a couple of options. If you're ready to publish the video right away, click Download and choose MP4 video to export it with the captions included. Or, if you're still working on the project, you can simply keep it in your Canva design and come back later to make more edits. Either way, Canva makes the process fast and beginner-friendly. And that's how to generate captions with AI in Canva. It's simple, it saves time, and it's one of the easiest ways to make your videos more accessible and engaging. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.